So how exactly did Shankar manage 100 Rajanis in one film? There is one man who can execute just what this ambitious director wants. That is Randy, alias Ratnavel, the cinematographer. It is through his eyes that the world will see Rajinikanth, a powerful robot. Ratnavel, or Randy, the cinematographer of Endiran, does not want to shift focus just yet from Endiran, though his work for the movie was over long ago. Randy says Robot has been the most challenging project for him.
Went to Peru for the song. Once I placed the camera, the park director was in charge, refused to give permission to put the lights. So imagine Rajini sir was on shot, and behind him we had nearly 100 white dancers, and with all, bright colors, very white color. And Aishwarya Rai was next to Rajini sir. Then after the shot got over, Rajini said, "Really, you don't require light? Without light can you shoot?" he asked me. I said, "It's not a problem," I told. Then after seeing the double positive, he just called me and told, "Fabulous, without lights you made a wonder." It's a great appreciation for Rajini sir.
Randy is raving about almost every frame that he has set at a spate of locations the crew has shot at for over 2.5 years. And despite the challenge, Randy says it was quite a working holiday.
My God, please don't ask me the story. Shankar sir will kill me. Okay, Rajini sir is a scientist who creates a robo just like them, a lookalike. When you use him in a good way, he delivers different results. When you use him in a bad way, he becomes a destructive element. So you'll have a different experience in this film.
Randy has had to let go of 5 big budget films coming his way, including from Bollywood, during Endiran's shooting. But that loss, he says, he would make up for when people watch the climax scene of Endiran, when 100 Rajanis will get down to fight. And you bet, this man, while doing the pan, has turned quite a fan. Rajini's lucky mascot, it seems, is SPB. Nama SP Balasubramanian. In most Rajini films, if you notice, the first song or the introduction song is sung by SPB. Rahman, Rajini and SPB together in a song. Boy, this combination has never failed.
நெஞ்சிலாறு படையப்பா பின்னால் 100 படையப்பா யுத்தம் கொண்டு வருகையில் 10 வீரல் படையப்பா 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 ஒருவன் முதலாளி உலகில் மற்றவன் தொழிலாளி விதியை நினைப்பவன் ஏமாளி அதை வென்று முடிப்பவன் அறிவாளி பூமியை வெல்ல ஆயுதம் எதற்கு பூப்பறிக்க கோடரி எதற்கு பொன்னோ பொருளோ பொற்களம் எதற்கு ஆசை துறந்தால் அகிலம் உனக்கு
Now let's talk about Aishwarya Rai. Remember the film Jeans, in which she actually does a double role? Interestingly, that one too was directed by Shankar. Ow! Who are you?
Robo.
Rajini Robo?
Yes.
Rajini Robo?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my God! Wow! We have Rajinikanth the Robo in our studio. Kumar sir, okay wait, 1 second sir. I have a great idea. Let's behave as if it is a live interview. We invited him. Upi, come, make up. Just a touch up, okay? That's it. Thank you so much for coming. Welcome back to this very special show called Rajinikanth's Robotics. Remember, we promised you that we will get you all the newsmakers only on the NDTV Hindu studio. There you have it. Now that Rajinikanth is the newsmaker of this week, rather this month, we thought we'll have the man himself. And look at that, he's come in his robot attire. So thank you very much, sir, for this live interview, an exclusive interview only to NDTV Hindu. So the first question, why did you postpone the release of Endiran to the 1st of October?
011010, all binary codes.
What is that?
கூட்டி கழிச்சு பாருமா கணக்கு சரியா வரும்
011010. Yeah, they're all binary codes. And what an interesting and intelligent move indeed. I must say, Robo sir, you do believe in numerology. Apparently, in the movie Endiran, the action scenes are just splendid, and Peter Haynes, who's supposed to be the finest fight masters in the country, has really taken action to another level. Is that true?
Peter Hen?
Yes.
Not Peter Hen. He is Pain.
You mean Peter Payne?
Yeah.
Okay, why, Mr. Robo?
Show off before Raj Rai. Didn't let me do any stunts.
Okay, next question. Apparently, in this film, you have no wrinkles at all in any frame at 60 years. Now, that's magical. How much exactly did you spend for makeup?
3 crore rupees.
Now, that's like half of Aishwarya Rai's salary. If I may ask you, how much exactly was your salary in the movie?
பேரை கேட்ட உடனே சும்மா அதறது இல்ல. Cool.
Very cool indeed, ain't it? Well, there's a lot more to say about Rajinikanth, but then perhaps later, because it's a wrap on Rajinikanth's robotics. Write to us on what you thought of the show. You can send an email to feedback@ndtv-hindu.com. Thank you for watching.